Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is JohnayaPatricia. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So this vlog is just going to be a maintenance vlog. I just got off of work, y'all. I've been up since 3 o'clock, 3 in the morning. I went to work from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then I came to get my hair done. This is the only appointment that was available, so gotta do what you gotta do. Something is breaking my face out, but yeah, so we're gonna be getting our hair done, my nails done. I took all my nails off, eyebrows, pedicure, all of it, and it's gonna be happening all weekend. So yes, enjoy the vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm screaming because what's not real about it?
Right.
How would you get a fake one, first of all?
Should I throw you a little something here? Yeah. Going to therapy with my son Scrappy would help both of us, but how...
Dude, Mama D got...
You believe in everybody except for me.
Niggas be gaslighting so bad. And Instagram and TikTok.
Oh shit, yeah, that's a lot.
Oh, girl.
He hit her after he hit the girl.
So bitch, you got the end of it all.
The end.
And she ate it up. Oh, fuck no.
Oh my God. As soon as that baby come out, I'm gonna get DHS right there at the hospital.
Like, that's why Santana can't fuck with him. Bad bitch.
People definitely loves, the girls love Santana. Why would he tell him nobody listen to his music?
Right.
You're a liar. Nobody know your fucking music.
She gave me something about Carly or Mona.
I don't really care about what Carly got going on. So when you go to the courthouse,
Y'all, I just got home. I love my hair so much. Super cute. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to chill. Like I said, I've been at work all day. Then went to get my hair done. I'm gonna chill and then I'm gonna grab y'all when I go get my nails done. Well, my hair was $120. Not bad at all.
This person was the last one to see Darren alive. And this person also happened to be the mother of his children. And later in their divorce proceedings, Brown's friend, that she had observed a stranger go into Brown's hospital room. Shortly thereafter is when Brown's vital signs
yesterday.
between us. But then he would come back. There was like a time where he's just on the patio, he's smoking a cigarette, very casual, just like sitting there. And so I'm up on the balcony and I'm like, JD, what are you doing? And he's like, am I bothering you? I'm like, no, but you're bothering the house. And he goes,
and he was being transported to an area.
Like, y'all, my nails, can I even talk? My nails came out so freaking good. Wow. I'm obsessed.